sun went home, the sky turned blue. Now everything looks a little bit new. Banjo is frozen, he's standing so still. There's a giant shape on the edge of the hill. It has long spiky arms, it's dark and it's tall. It makes little Banjo feel very small. His heart goes boom, his legs feel tight, but he's a mountain horse, he'll be alright. Take a deep breath, whoosh. Take a tiny step, click. Use your ninja grip, clack. Your heart might thump, your tummy might flip, but brave just means you don't quit. Just one small step, click. Then one step more, clack. That's what being brave is for. He uses his ears.
What does he hear?
Just the wind in the gums.
Nothing to fear.
He uses his nose.
What does he smell?
Old snow gum wood.
He knows it well.
The moon comes out, the light is back. It's just his favorite tree with a little gray crack. Is it safe out there?
It's safe.
It's just my scratching tree. Me, I was scared of you, and you were scared of me. Sometimes the bravest thing to say is I'm a little scared today. But when you step together side by side, there's nothing left to hide. Take a deep breath, whoosh. Take a tiny step, click. Use your ninja grip, clack. Your heart might thump, your tummy might flip, but brave just means you don't quit. One small step with a brand new friend. One small step, the scary stuff can end. Tiptoe,
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 tiptoe.
tiptoe.
It was only a shadow made